Okay, here's my secret for filling these small containers. Any given small container, you're going to want to label properly and keep away from anything that it might be similar to. This is an eyedropper. I promise you that this is nowhere near my regular eye drops. This is only used on my bench for cleaning purposes. And I have my first aid kit by a first aid station. So, along with liquid bandages, and other items that I need for first aid. So, in order for me to fill this small container, or any small container, not just alcohol, I'm going to show you a really cool trick for doing that. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is go out and buy one of these funnels for filling fuel in your camping area, your camping kits at the W Mart. Now, this is what happens with this funnel when you try to fit it on here. It just doesn't fit. So what you need to do is find a way to reduce the funnel portion of it, the nozzle portion of it. So this is a very simple idea. This is clean. It's never been used. So if I have one for alcohol, it's for alcohol, nothing else. These can be used for other solutions. I've been trying to figure out for the longest time if it's food safe. So I won't use it for food. I'll find another funnel and I'll do the same thing. I'll use a syringe and I'll use a food safe funnel, and this is for medicine, so medicine means food safe. Okay? If it goes inside your body, more than likely it's going to be food safe. So I have one for alcohol, I have another one for food. Okay, so watch this. Once again, this is not an eyedropper. This is for alcohol. The reason why I started carrying this is because, being a field technician, it's very difficult to manipulate the right amount of alcohol onto a cleaning pad. Okay, so I used to carry similar bottles of alcohol in my field tech days, and it would have a squeezed nozzle out of it, and I had seen that I was using way too much alcohol, so I developed this nozzle system. Or a way to dispense out alcohol. So here you go. Alright, and then you grab your alcohol, and you do this very carefully, in a way that you're nowhere near a spark or open flame situation. And it allows you to dispense alcohol in drip method. And there it is. You might end up spilling a little bit of alcohol, but that's okay. And there you go. Dispensing alcohol into a smaller bottle requires a smaller nozzle. So that's our video for today. Remember, different nozzles for different purposes. Still the same methodology. Syringe, no needle. Nozzle, that's reduced down to a smaller opening. So just keep that in mind. Keep all your items separate from each other, so that way you'll never have little mishaps. Please be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.